Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison.network. So today I just bought this black oud by Lonkoom, I don't know. So before we unboxing, let's look into the details and also some pictures.
Guys, korang tahu tak Perfume 2024? Yes, I'm talking about Dior Sauvage, guys. Bagi sesiapa yang suka wangi-wangi jantan, wangi-wangi maskulin, korang jangan terlepas peluang beli Black Oud by Lonkoom ni. Walaupun harga dia jauh lebih murah banding dengan Dior Sauvage, tapi wangi dia is beyond my expectation. Nak beli tak? Nak beli tekan link je.
Okay, pictures. Okay, it's not. That's it. Alright, so it said that it seemed like a Dior Sauvage. I'm gonna do the review so whether it's same or not later on, do another video. Okay, so it's just 36 ringgit 53 cents in Lazada, 100 ml Edt. So yeah, let's look if there's any other okay. This one. Between those four, I think this black oud is the most people bought, because the one in Lazada, I bought it because there's a lot of people. There's about 1,900 people who bought it, so I think it's and then there's a good review. So yeah, why not? Oh, there's a lot of information. Like really selling, like really want to sell, and to show that this is a very good product. Okay, so let's unboxing. Okay. So this is the front and the back. Later we go to the details. Side, below. Okay, let's see. Manufactured it. Oh, is this new? Okay, and then yeah, on top, side. Okay, so this is the front. It's nice. The printing is nice, like expensive printing. Let's look at the back. Then I think I'm gonna off. So if you want to read more, you can pause. Okay, so the product unboxing. Okay, there's nothing here. So this fabric, oh, box. I thought like styrofoam, but it's a plastic box inside. Oh, it's nice. Looks like an expensive one. Okay. On the side, behind, on the side, on top, and then this ribbon, and this cap, is plastic and spray. No, of course, it's the same thing. And then below, oh, there's pirate also. Shadow cosmetic and blackwood and common. Okay, so this is the actually first time I bought China made perfume. Usually I bought the Arabic perfume from Arabs. So this one is Oud Arabic perfume, but from China. I do the review later. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.